Welcome back to Learning American English. We are happy you are here and would like to invite you to subscribe to our podcast so you can best benefit from our weekly educational episodes for English learners. Each of our episodes focus on a specific, practical topic that you will encounter in real American life. Every lesson is structured in exactly the same way, so you always know what to expect and how to study most effectively. Part 1. Vocabulary. Each lesson begins with 10 carefully chosen vocabulary words related to the lesson's topic. Each word includes a clear definition and an example sentence showing the word used naturally in context. Read these words before the rest of the lesson to prepare your mind for the new concepts ahead. Part 2. Dialogue. Each lesson includes a realistic, context-based conversation between people in a real-life American situation. Read both sides of the dialogue aloud if possible. This builds natural spoken fluency. Notice the tone, the language used, and how the characters handle the social situation with confidence and grace. Part 3. Guidance article. Each lesson includes a mini article that explains the cultural topic in depth, the history, the norms, the nuances, and the why behind the behaviors. Reading this section will give you genuine understanding, not just surface-level rules. Part 4. Tips and strategies. Each lesson closes with 3 specific, actionable real-life tips that you can begin using immediately. These are practical strategies drawn from real American cultural experience, not generic advice. Are you ready to begin? Okay, here we go.
Lesson 6. Making and keeping friendships. American friendships have a unique character. People tend to be warm and friendly on the surface, but developing deep, lasting friendships takes time and consistent effort. Understanding how Americans approach friendship will help you build genuine connections that truly enrich your life in a new country. Part 1. Vocabulary, 10 key words. 1. Genuine. Real, authentic, and without pretense or hidden motives. Her genuine interest in others made her easy to befriend. 2. Bond. A close connection or feeling of friendship between people. The two co-workers quickly formed a bond over their shared love of hiking. 3. Hangout. Informal time spent with friends in a relaxed, unscheduled setting. They planned a casual hangout at the park for Saturday afternoon. 4. Reciprocate. To respond to an action or gesture from someone with a similar one. If someone invites you to dinner, it is thoughtful to reciprocate by hosting them next time. 5. Reliability. The quality of being consistently trustworthy and dependable in a relationship. His reliability as a friend meant he always showed up when he said he would. 6. Common ground. Shared interests, beliefs, or experiences that unite people. They found common ground in their love of cooking and started a dinner club together. 7. Check in to contact someone to see how they are doing, especially during a hard time. She made a point to check in on her friend after hearing she was going through a tough time. 8. Socialize. To engage with others in social activities and spend time in company. Moving to a new city requires real effort to socialize and meet people. 9. Boundary. A limit that defines what is acceptable behavior in a relationship. Good friends respect each other's boundaries and personal space. 10. Invest. To put time and effort into something, such as a relationship. Building strong friendships requires you to invest consistent time and genuine care. Part 2. Dialogue, turning an acquaintance into a friend. Lena. Hey. I keep running into you at this coffee shop. I'm Lena. James. Ah, yes. I'm James. I come here almost every Saturday morning. It's become my ritual. Lena. Same here. Are you new to the area? I haven't seen you before this month. James. The first moved here about 6 weeks ago. Still figuring out the best spots in the neighborhood. Lena. There's a great farmer's market 2 blocks away on Sundays if you're interested. James. Really? I love farmers markets. I haven't found one here yet. Lena. A group of us from the neighborhood go most Sundays. You're very welcome to join us sometime. James. I'd really like that. Thank you. It means a lot when you're new somewhere. Part 3. Guidance article, Building Friendships in America. Many newcomers to America are initially charmed by how friendly and outgoing Americans seem. Strangers strike up conversations at bus stops, neighbors wave and smile, and coworkers invite you to lunch. This warmth is genuine, but it is also somewhat different from the deeper friendship bonds that develop slowly over time. American friendships often begin through shared activities and settings, workplaces, neighborhoods, sports leagues, faith communities, volunteer groups, and classes. The key is to put yourself in situations where regular, repeated contact is possible. Friendships are built through consistent positive interactions over time, not a single great conversation. When someone makes a casual social invitation like "we should get together sometime," it is often a genuine expression of interest, but it may be left for you to follow up. If you want to move the relationship forward, take the initiative. I'd love that. Are you free next Friday afternoon? This converts a vague idea into a real plan. Americans value reliability in friendships. If you make plans, show up. If you cannot make it, give as much notice as possible and apologize genuinely. Consistently canceling or making excuses signals that you are not truly invested in the relationship, and people will stop making the effort. Part 4. 3 real-life tips and strategies. Tip 1. Take the initiative. Americans often make open-ended social invitations and expect you to help follow through. If someone says we should hang out, respond with a specific suggestion, definitely, are you free this weekend? This simple move advances an acquaintance into a real friendship. Tip 2. Join groups built around your interests. Meetup.com, local Facebook groups, community classes, faith communities, and sports leagues are all excellent ways to meet people who share what you love, which is the natural foundation of lasting American friendships. Tip 3. Be consistent and reliable. Show up when you say you will, follow through on small promises, and occasionally check in on friends just to say hello. In American friendship culture, reliability is one of the most deeply valued qualities. It proves that you genuinely care.
We hope you've enjoyed this episode of Learning American English and would greatly appreciate it if you would take a moment right now, if you haven't already done so, to subscribe to our weekly podcast episodes. This podcast was created by Mr. Johan Elvis Sersea, also known as Maestro Sersea, a California-based American English community college instructor who has been teaching American English to English learners in California, United States of America since 1989. Did you know Maestro Sersea has published 7 books on Amazon, numerous educational websites, dozens of podcasts, and nearly 2,000 educational and music videos for English learners on his YouTube channel? Maestro Sersea is also a prolific musician who has created and published numerous songs in various languages, available on Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, YouTube, and other major streaming platforms. In addition, Maestro Sersea is the director and lead instructor of California International Online School, an online American English language school based in California, USA, teaching international English learners just like you. Check for the links in the comments section below and visit our educational and music video YouTube channel, as well as our online school website to learn more English and enjoy a variety of powerful and entertaining music albums.